So match the terms to column 1 with terms of column 2 and choose the correct option from the codes given below. First one, f of x is equal to sine cube x plus cos power 6x. So let's try here. First one, f of x is equal to sine power 3 x plus cos power 6x. Now it's a differentiation. F dash of x is equal to, so we can write this is 3 times sine square x into d by dx of sine x is cos x, and here 6 times of cos to the power of 5x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So that can be written f dash of x is equal to 3, you can take common, and sin x cos x common, and inside we have sin x minus cos to the power of 2 times of cos to the power of 4x. So we can check in the options. 3 sin x cos x into sin x minus 2 cos power 4x is fourth option. So we can say for the first question, answer option 4. And from the codes, if you can observe that the first one is 4 is only one answer, so we can give the answer first option blindly, but let's do the remaining cases. The next one, f of x is equal to 5x to the power of 3 cos 2x, b1. b1, f of x is equal to 5x to the power of 3 cos 2x. So now differentiating, first apply log on both the sides. So which implies here y is equal to log y is equal to, let us put this as y, log y is equal to 3 cos 2x into log of 5x. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 3 times cos of 2x into d by dx of log x is 1 upon 5x into d by dx of 5x is 5 plus log of 5x into d by dx of 3 cos 2x are, let us write 3 here, and d by dx of cos 2x is minus sin 2x minus sin 2x into d by dx of 2x is 2. So we can write this as dy by dx is equal to y times of, and here 5 and 5 gets cancelled, and this is a 3 cos 2x upon x minus 3 2s are 6 times of sin 2x into log of 5x. So this we can check, 5x to the power of y is nothing but 5x to the power of 3 cos 2x into 3 cos 2x by x minus 6 sin x log of 5x. So here you are getting 2x sin 2x. So here it is sin 2x. So we can go with an option that is 3, b1. And now let's check the third one. F of x is equal to sin inverse x root x for minus 1 less than or equals to x less than 1. So differentiating with respect to x, so we'll have f dash of x is equal to d by dx of sine inverse x is 1 upon root over 1 minus x square, 1 upon root over 1 minus x root x whole square, that is x to the power of 3 by 2 whole square is x power 3 into d by dx of x power 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 3 root x divided by 2 root of 1 minus x power 3. So let's check this third c is 1 or not. Yes, 3 upon 2 root x by 1 minus x cube. So we can write c as a first option. And coming to the last d, f of x is equal to f of x is equal to cos inverse x by 2 divided by root over 2x plus 7 for minus 2 less than x less than 2. Let us differentiate. F dash of x is equal to, so in the denominator root over 2x plus 7 whole square will come 2x plus 7 into 2x plus 7 into d by dx of cos inverse x, that is a minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, that is x square by 4 into d by dx of x upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 into differentiation of root over 2x plus 7, that is 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 7 into differentiation of 2x is 2. So you can cancel this both, and hence we can write f dash of x is equal to, so 1 by 2 here minus 1 by 2x plus 7 by 2 root of 1 minus x square by 4 minus again cos inverse x by 2 divided by root over 2x plus 7 into 1 upon 2x plus 7. So I think if we can check within options like simplifying further, 2x plus 7 upon root over 4 minus x square, by simplifying you will get an option, second option, that's fine. So just simplifying you will be getting this answer, so we can go with an option 2, and hence answer is first option.